Talk to Tapan series in conversation with Mr. Tapan Singhel. And I must say that we are really lucky today because we are being joined by not one but two esteemed guests. They are global leaders and they're shaping the world as we know it. Mr. Santosh Iyer, the MD and CEO of Mercedes-Benz India, and Mr. Tapan Singhel, the MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. So it's my pleasure to welcome you to the show, and I have a lot of questions for both of you, but let me start with Mr. Iyer first. And since the brand tagline of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance is caringly yours, I would like to know what is your caringly yours moment.
Basically, as a brand, Mercedes-Benz, is all about emotions and right from the inception of the car to why people purchase. So definitely, I have many stories of customers on buying, but one particular thing stands out wherein, many of our cars have a waiting period of 6 to 12 months. And one of the customer called me from somewhere. He managed to get my mobile phone, and then he said, Santosh, I have a wish. My dad is in the hospital. He's suffering from terminal cancer, but in his life, he wanted to drive in a Mercedes-Benz. And now my wish is to take him from the hospital to home in the car, and can you make the car available for me? For me, it was like the role a brand plays in people's life. And of course, we went out of our way and we did what was possible. But it just shows the connect, and this is what caringly yours for me stands for.
What an absolutely moving story, sir. Thank you so much for sharing it with us. Truly shows how much Mercedes-Benz India cares and how much you care. And moving on, Mr. Singhel, I have a question for you. So since the brand tagline of Mercedes-Benz is desire for extraordinaire, I would like to know, what is your extraordinaire moment?
Okay, for me, it's very simple, and I'm so touched by what Santosh just mentioned about the way to care customers. For me, Santosh has been like a brother and friend for many years. When he became the MD and CEO of Mercedes, to me it was such a sheer pleasure. That was my extraordinary moment. When people who are close to you take such responsibility, and this is the first time happening in India that you have an Indian becoming head for Mercedes and such a strong brand. I felt so happy. For me, that is the extraordinary moment that I had. So for me, when my people whom I know who are close to me, they excel and do well, that joy is such an amazing joy. I can't describe it. And that to me is the extraordinary moment, if I may just put it.